अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। आज की वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ व्हाई टैक्स मैटर्स टू एवरी बिज़नेस। तो आज की वीडियो में हम इस पर डिस्कस करेंगे कि किसी भी बिज़नेस के लिए जो है टैक्स वो क्यों इतना ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, क्या रीज़न्स हैं, क्या वजूहात हैं, ये आज हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो चलें जी, वीडियो को कर लेते हैं स्टार्ट। Here's why your business needs to pay attention to tax reporting and compliance. Innovative factors, including technological advances, can make tax laws more complex. Eric Lefebvre, CTO at Sovos, shares more on how tax reporting and compliance should be holistic to an entire business. In today's digital global economy, tax is no longer an accounting or finance concern. Tax compliance is a holistic business issue that requires an understanding of a business operations, the industry and markets in which it operates, as well as the tax implications of strategic decisions for a business to succeed, not to mention avoid audits, fines, and shutdowns. It needs a solid tax strategy that can help it stay ahead of regulatory changes and maintain compliance. Several factors are covering to make tax laws more complex, from globalization to evolving legal precedent to technological advances. While streaming content and digital software licenses have made it easier for businesses to operate across border and expand their user base, it has also resulted in the use of intricate financial instruments that can be difficult to tax. As businesses expand, they must comply with the tax laws in the various jurisdictions in which they operate. This can be very different from their headquarters and vary dramatically depending on the state or country. To ensure compliance, businesses are now required to have a broad understanding of tax laws and regulations worldwide, which extends beyond conventional accounting expertise. Complicating it even further, these tax laws continue to evolve as courts interpret and refine laws, or even as new innovations emerge. The real world impact. Consider the landmark US Supreme Court case South Dakota v. Wayfair, which addresses the issue of whether state could require out of state retailers to collect and remit sales tax on purchases made by customers within their state, even if the retailer had no physical presence in the state. In June 2018, the court ruled that South Dakota's law was constitutional, which has significantly impacted e-commerce businesses and out-of-state retailers. Since the Wayfair decision, every state with a sales tax and Alaska at the local level has passed laws or issued regulations that require out of state retailers to collect and remit sales tax on sales made to customer with their jurisdiction. On a global level, before the rise of e-commerce, it was relatively easy for businesses to avoid collecting VAT on sales made to customers in foreign countries. The rise in digital commerce, however, made it more challenging to track and collect VAT on cross border sales. This has resulted in a new rules being introduced on a country by country basis to ensure that digital businesses pay VAT on sales made to customers in their countries. जी तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। फिर मिलेंगे किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।